Hey everyone! If you're tuning in from Nepal and dreaming about landing a job on a cruise ship, I've got some great tips that will set sail your career to new horizons. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to understand what kind of jobs are available on a cruise ship. From hospitality roles like chefs, waiters, and housekeeping, to entertainment positions such as dancers, singers, and event managers, there's a wide range of opportunities. Now, how do you apply? The most efficient way is online. Big cruise lines like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian have websites where they list job openings. Make sure your CV is polished and tailored for the role you are applying for. Highlight any experience in hospitality, customer service, or entertainment. But here's a tip that can really make a difference. Certifications. Depending on the job, having certifications in safety, hospitality, or even first aid can boost your resume. It shows you're serious and prepared. Networking is key. Connect with people who are already working on cruise ships. Platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook groups can be great for this. Sometimes, knowing someone on the inside can help you get your foot in the door. Finally, prepare for the interview. It will likely be via video call. Dress professionally, ensure you are in a quiet place, and test your internet connection beforehand. Also, practice your answers, especially to common questions like why you want to work on a cruise ship and how you handle challenging situations. That's pretty much it. With the right preparation and a bit of persistence, you could be heading off to an exciting career at sea. Good luck, and maybe I'll see you on the high seas one day. Until then, keep chasing your dreams.